how to join an existing WhatsApp group chat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, to join an existing group chat, the member of that group should send you an invite link. So, for that, what the friend needs to do is go to WhatsApp, open up the group chat, and there uh, you can see invite via link or QR code right there on the conversation. However, if it's not there, then go to the profile icon on the top and then scroll down, and there you can see add via link or QR code. Tap on it and then tap on copy link, and the person should send it to your chat. Now, once you have received the link, you can just tap on it and request to join, and then join the group chat. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.